everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, bringing you another wonderful wig review. And I know I've been a little bit MIA, but trust and believe I'm back and ready to give you guys what you guys been looking for, which is these wig reviews. And trust and believe there will be an update video of where I've been, why I've been MIA. But right now, we're gonna talk about this unit that is on my head. So this video is being sponsored by SAMSBEAUTY.com, so make sure you head over to them to get all your wigs, weave, and other beauty finds for the low. This particular unit that I have on today is by the Stylist brand, which is, no lie, has got to be one of my favorite brands to get from SAMSBEAUTY.com. And from what I've noticed, that you can only get the Stylist brand from them. They do have a couple pieces on Amazon, but if you want the full-fledged line, is definitely at SAMSBEAUTY.com. But this particular unit by the Stylist brand is the Swiss lace silk top lace wig, and it has the most realistic, natural looking parting space, which is right here. I did do the concealer method, as you guys were shown in the intro. This does have a 4x4 parting space, so I am able to part this wig in any direction with no issue. The style design in this is Curl-A-Licious, and trust and believe she is definitely Curl-A-Licious. And the color that I personally picked out was the OT30, and I think she looks wonderful. And I'm pretty sure you guys are out there like, it kind of looks like a 27. Sometimes the OT30s and the OT27s definitely start looking the same. Hold on, I got a stray hair and I can't find it. I know it's here. I know it's here. Okay, there we go. But yeah, I actually like this. I'm actually starting to love this color, especially for summertime lately. This has definitely been one of my favorite colors. This and OT27 has started to be like my personal favorites. But let's get into more about this unit. Basically, you can't put heat to this wig. I believe the heat setting goes all the way to 400, I believe. It doesn't really say, so yeah, it doesn't really say. Sorry if y'all hear my kids in the background. It doesn't really say, so we're gonna be on the safe side, and I'm gonna tell you guys to put it at 300. But one thing I do love about this unit is like the effortless wave pattern. Like the more you fluff it out, the curls actually turn into an actual wave, and I love this. I definitely will be getting this wig in black, covering me at all. I definitely don't feel like I'm like smothered in this wig either. What else? It has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back. The hair texture is like a yaki, like a silky yaki texture. It's not real coarse, nor is it too silky. I love the ombre effect of it, and I love the fact that it's ombreed all the way in there until you get to the back where it's mostly all one color. What else? I love the parting space. The parting space definitely makes things easier to deal with, especially like if you actually are one of those people that want to move the wig from any direction with no issue. Other than that, it's pretty much it. I mean, like I said, I love the fullness of it. I don't think this is gonna be like too hot, especially while in the summertime, especially here in Texas. It's extremely hot here. But yeah, other than that, I love the length of it. I may do a video later on down the line of me cutting it to about, because I feel like sometimes like this part is a little unnecessary, but if it was cut right there, I think that would be really pretty. So I might do a video. Let me know in the description box, in the comments, if you want me to do a video of me cutting this wig off, and I'll definitely make that video for you guys. So if this video was informative and to you guys liking, and you miss me so much because I haven't posted in a while, definitely please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer 69, drops another video. And until we meet again, my beautiful Tamed Raiders,